What the fuck?
Girls, who pooped in the kitchen? Sunny, you pooped in the kitchen? I lost it.
Bella, why are you sitting like that? Huh? Why are you sitting like that? You can't sit like that. You're not human. It makes you look funny.
You ready, Mom? Jaden, what do you think? Oh my god. Smile, Bill. Smile. Good job.
Totally went for it. Just trying to get it. Pancake, at least it's smart enough to know what's around it. Uh-oh. Here it's being stupid.
Who are you talking to out there? Who is it?
She's dragging it up.
Be nice.
Say hi, kitty.
Boomer got into the tinsel again. Watch. Boomer, did you do this? Oh, he's not going to do it. Boomer, did you do this? You think Daddy's going to protect you?
Dixie, Lola, get in your own beds. Come on, get in your own beds. Get in your own beds. Lay down. Lay down, that's better.
What's in the box? What's in the box? Oh my goodness. Does that smell amazing? Why are you shaking? Are you that excited about bacon? Are you that excited about bacon? Do you want the bacon? Do you want the bacon?
Okay, let her read. Let her read.
Gail, what? Oh my goodness. He's stuck. Okay, don't help him down, okay? You're not helping. Pull him out. How did you get stuck? Look, he's lucky.
I just beat my pants.
Oh my gosh!
Who's a little cowgirl?
How do you expect me to find the guy? What exactly are you going to do?